The ZAFRO Smart Inverter Portable Air Conditioner, 16,000 BTU/12,000 BTU SACC, is a high-capacity, feature-rich climate control solution designed to cool larger rooms, typically up to 550 square feet. By combining an energy-saving inverter compressor with a dual-hose system, it addresses many of the traditional shortcomings of standard portable AC units. ### core performance and inverter technology cooling capacity. It is rated at 16,000 BTU under older ASHRAE standards, translating to an industry standard 12,000 BTU SACC, seasonally adjusted cooling capacity, rating for real-world performance. Inverter compressor. Unlike traditional fixed-speed compressors that constantly turn fully on and off, causing temperature fluctuations and high energy spikes, the inverter technology dynamically adjusts its motor speed to maintain your target temperature smoothly and efficiently. Dual hose system uses a dual-duct configuration, one hose for intake, one for exhaust, which creates balanced room pressure, preventing warm outdoor air from being sucked back inside through cracks and gaps. This drastically improves cooling efficiency compared to single-hose alternatives. ## comfort and operating modes. Multiple modes. Functions as a multi-season appliance featuring cool mode, adjustable from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, a standalone dehumidifier mode to pull excess moisture from the air, a multi-speed fan mode, an eco mode for optimized power saving, and a fast-cooling extra mode. Ultra-quiet operation. Thanks to its inverter architecture, it can throttle down to operate as quietly as 42 dB on its lowest sleep setting, making it suitable for bedrooms and home offices. Drainage-free technology. Utilizes advanced self-evaporation systems that recycle condensed moisture to aid cooling, minimizing the need for manual water draining during standard use for up to 72 hours, though high-humidity environments may occasionally require manual drainage. ## smart integration and usability app and voice control. Features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairing for the ZAFRO app, allowing you to control settings, create custom schedules, and view energy/usage reports remotely. It also integrates smoothly with smart home ecosystems like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice commands. Physical control and extras. Includes a digital LED panel on the unit, an easy-to-use remote control, a 24-hour timer, and a washable air filter with maintenance reminders. Mobility. Built with smooth rolling 360-degree caster wheels and integrated side handles, so it can be rolled from room to room as needed. ## specs at a glance. Feature specification: cooling power 16,000 BTU, ASHRAE/12,000 BTU, SACC, coverage area up to 550 square foot, compressor type inverter, dual cylinder exhaust type, dual hose system, noise level as low as 42 dB, sleep mode, smart connectivity, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth, ZAFRO app, Alexa, Google Assistant, refrigerant R32, eco-friendly, dimensions and weight 14.25-inch DX 16.5, WX 27.2, H/55 lbs. The verdict: if you need a powerful portable air conditioner that cools quickly, runs quietly at night, and cuts down on electricity waste via inverter technology, the ZAFRO 16,000 BTU, 12,000 SACC dual hose model is a top-tier contender, though keep in mind that managing two bulky exhaust hoses requires a bit more window setup space than single hose units.